Finally, peace and food.
Wait, is that chicken? Someone is betraying me. You're eating without me.
Yeah, why? I can't even eat now?
Why the heck are you crying?
Actually, I don't know.